Guys, today we're going to look at how we can able to use the TI-84 calculator to add, subtract, multiply, and divide fraction. For us to do that, we need the half, which is here, and then you go to the Y. Then the option 1 is normal fraction here, and if you have a mixed fraction, you can also use option 2, and then if you have improper fraction and you want to turn it to mixed fraction, you can use option 3 and so forth. And if you have fraction and you want to turn it into decimal, you use option 4. But today let's use option 1. So we have 1/2, then you go here, plus, go to half y, you pick option 1, and then it's adding 3/5. Then you enter, and that give you answer as 11/10. I have already done a video on how you can add, subtract, divide, and multiply fractions without using a calculator. If you want to get more understanding, then check that video out. What about if I don't want to use the half y and I have a regular calculator that's not TI-84? Then you can also do it this way. You go to the parenthesis here, or some people call it a bracket, and you type in 1 divided by your 2. You close it with the parenthesis, and then you add, and you open the parenthesis or the bracket, and you type your 3 divided by 5. You close it and you enter. It gives you a decimal 1.1. Now we go to math here, or some people call math, and then here you want to convert it to a fraction, so we enter, and then we enter, and then ta-da, it gives us back 11/10. So those of you who doesn't have the TI-84, you can use this one to do it. Okay, let's do more with other operations. So what about if we have, you go to half y, enter, and then you have 5/8, and you want to subtract, so minus half y, enter, and then you get your 4/7, and then you enter to get your answer. The calculator have already simplified. The calculator always give you the simplified form. If you don't have the TI-84 and you have the ordinary TI-83 or anything that's not graphing and you want to do fraction, you use parenthesis or bracket. So you type your 5 divided by 8, you close it, and then you bring your subtraction, and then you open it, and 4 divided by 7, close it, you enter. I give you a decimal, you go to math, and then you enter, and that change you back. You see, you got the same answer. So even if you don't have the graphing calculator like TI-84, you can still do it. Okay, let's continue. Now let's go and do multiplication. So multiplication, if we have, so we go to half y, enter, and then we enter 4 divided by 7, and it's multiplying by another fraction, half y, enter, which is 1/3, and then you enter. Ta-da, it gives you the answer. If you don't have the TI-84 or you don't have the half y function, then you can use the parenthesis. 4 divided by 7, close it. It's multiplying, open it. 1/3, close it. They give you decimal. You go to math, and you're changing it to the fraction. Enter, enter, and that it give you back answer. Okay, let's do the division that most of students struggle on. That you go to half y, enter, and then you have your 3 divided by 5, and you want to divide it, so division, and then you go to the fraction again of y, enter, and you have 2 divided by 3, and you enter. Ta-da! It give you the simplified form. If you don't have the graphing calculator and you have ordinary one, use the parentheses. So you go to bracket here, and you have 3/5, close it, divided by bracket or the parentheses 2 divided by 3, close it, enter. Now you want it to convert it to fraction, you go to MEV, option 1, enter, and they give you back the same answer. All right, I hope it helps, and I will see you in the next video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, subscribe and like the video.